Welcome back, everyone. Personal safety, of course, top of mind during the COVID-19 pandemic. And new at 4, ABC's Mark Stewart looks at how the virus continues to spread worldwide and the shortage right now of personal protection equipment, especially for healthcare workers.
From Times Square to New Rochelle and across the state of New York, everyday life is about to go through an even bigger change as the governor says almost all workers need to work from home starting Sunday.
Essential services have to continue to function. Grocery stores need food. Pharmacies need drugs. Your internet has to continue to work.
New York leading the nation in the number of COVID-19 cases. California, where cases have also been spiking, implementing a similar order.
We estimate in the United States, we've heard this number across the rest of the world, that people, 30% of the population, as high as 70% of the population, may contract the virus.
It's hoped these bold moves will lead to relief as communities across the country are facing shortages and are concerned about their own safety.
If one of our firefighters gets sick or gets exposed, or if we bring someone in that exposes our crews, then that limits the number of firefighters that are available to respond.
I also wanted to be an example and, tell people my age that this is real.
And a heated discussion at today's White House briefing over whether a malaria drug being tested as a possible treatment for COVID-19 will be effective. The president and one of his top advisors disagreeing.
It may work and it may not work. And I agree with the doctor, what he said. May work, may not work. I feel good about it. That's all it is, just a feeling.
The president feels optimistic about something, his feeling about it. What I'm saying is that it might be effective. You're also collecting data that will ultimately show that it is truly effective and safe under the conditions of COVID-19.
There is so much concern surrounding COVID-19. A testing facility in New Jersey exhausting its capacity, forced to turn people away. The governor advising people to return on Saturday. Mark Stewart, ABC News, New York.